This video is going to be super important for both IELTS academic as well as IELTS general candidates, because in this video I'm going to cover all the major updates, all the expected changes that are going to happen to IELTS academic as well as general in the year 2022. We'll be talking about the major changes in the patterns of questions for each particular module, be it reading, listening, writing, speaking. Also we'll be discussing the new speaking cue cards that are going to get added in this particular year. Also we'll be talking about this question that is very important right now for the students, whether IELTS 2022 will be easier than IELTS 2021 or it will be difficult or not than the last year. सभी aspects को discuss करेंगे. So make sure you watch the video till end, because this is a super important IELTS update video. And before starting this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video, because that gives me motivation. And without any further bullshit, let's jump into the video. Alright, first we'll be addressing the speaking module of IELTS for both academic and general. दोनों के लिए same changes here. Number one, in speaking part 1, the length of the part 1 and part 3 of speaking module has increased a lot. Last year also some random students were facing this issue where the examiners were asking more and more questions to the students for the part 1 and part 3 of speaking, and their speaking session, the entire speaking exam went for as long as 25 to 30 minutes. ठीक है, generally 11 से 13 मिनट का होता है, but in their case it was dragged and the timing was 25 to 30 minutes. So make sure you are prepared that you will be asked more and more questions in part 1 and part 3. That's the first major update of the speaking module. The second major update of the IELTS speaking module is that this year, in the year 2022, expect a longer session of your speaking examination than usual. Usually 11 से 13 मिनट का session होता है with your examiner, but this year expect a session of at least 20 plus minutes. ठीक, and you must be prepared for that. You must be having that caliber to speak for that long with your examiner confidently and fetch the bands from him or her. Alright, so that will come with practice, nothing to worry, be optimistic. I'm just awareing you about the updates that are coming in 2022. Finally, coming to the third major update of the speaking module, which is in speaking cue card, that is a part 2 of your speaking module. Expect some new cue cards. In this year, there are inclusions of some new cue cards of some new topics, and those topics are green energy, driverless cars, Omicron virus, and global affairs. So make sure you read blogs and read articles about these topics, because when you'll be aware, you can speak confidently. Alright, coming to the reading module of your IELTS examination. In the reading module in the year 2022, the difficulty of few questions like list of headings or matching headings can increase a bit, because, no, don't get me wrong, the questions itself won't get difficult. It means that there will be addition of some new topics. Some new topics will be included like technology, science, robotics. ठीक है, फिर research topics will be included in the reading module, and if you don't know much about these topics, then solving questions like matching headings, जहाँ पे paragraph पर के आपको heading decide करना होता है, it will be quite difficult for you. But as obvious, if you know about these topics or you prepare yourself by reading blogs, watching quality videos about these topics, then reading will be a cakewalk for you as it is. No changes at all. That's it. Now coming to IELTS writing module, which students think is one of the most difficult after the reading module obviously. In 2022, in IELTS writing module, you have to focus a bit more on task 2, because IELTS examiners have stopped being lenient. They're not giving the bands that easy. Last year, many students have passed in all other modules, listening, reading, speaking में pass हो गए थे, but they got stuck in the IELTS writing module specifically because of low band score in the IELTS writing task 2 essay. ठीक है, in this year there are some inclusions of new topics in IELTS writing task 2. Those are global affairs, global politics, and global changes. ठीक है, जो वर्ल्ड वाइड चेंजेस हो रहा है ड्यू टू द कोविड-19 वायरस और ओमिक्रॉन वायरस, तो वो सब के बारे में आपको एक ब्रीफ नॉलेज होना चाहिए. फिर हैविंग द नॉलेज, there are no changes in IELTS writing, but if you're not having the knowledge, you have to make sure you prepare from reading blogs, quality content, and have a brief summary of every topic that is happening around the world in your subconscious mind. So when you get the topic, you can actually write it. And ज़्यादा worry करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. IELTS writing is not a knowledge test, it's an English test. It doesn't matter how well you know about a topic, it matters how well you can explain that topic with proper vocabulary and minimal grammatical errors, and also using complex sentences. That's it for the writing module. Finally, coming to the last module, which is the listening module. In the year 2022, there's a myth going on that in listening module, the playback speed of the audio, जो audio का speed है वो increase हो जाएगा, and that will be creating difficulty for the students to hear it.
The second major update of the IELTS speaking module is that this year, in the year 2022, expect a longer session of...
But this is the myth. The playback speed will be completely same as it was in 2021, 2020, and before that. ठीक है, in listening module, luckily there are no as such changes, completely same, and that will be giving you edge to score good bands in your listening module. ठीक है, listening में अगर आपको 9 band मिलता है, then it will push your overall band score and get you cleared in your IELTS examination. ठीक है, minimum 6.5 चाहिए होता है. Reading, writing difficult होता है, listening बहुत easy होता है. So make sure you know, you practice listening most than other modules as well. ठीक है, listening को सबसे ज़्यादा focus करो and clear it with 9 bands. अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा tip चाहिए listening module के ऊपर, I have a video which is over 140k videos right here you can see in the screen. And if you want to know more about the reading module, which is the toughest, students think it's a nightmare for them, उसके लिए ये वाला video check करो. All doubts will be cleared. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure the subscribe button and like this video, because that gives me motivation to upload more such content. Till then, stay awesome, stay sexy, and I'll see you in the next one.